everybody, Patrick LaRouge here from Evolve Restorative Therapy. You can find me at livepainfreeprocess.com. I have a pain-free concierge practice that teaches people how to live and move pain-free from soup to nuts, top to bottom, inside to out, teaching you exactly how you have to do to balance your life so you can live to your fullest potential. We're working with the lovely balance of this month. This is our mini-series of the month, and I am happy and really excited talking about it because this is my secret little thing that I do with every single client is I get them to look at their lives and balance out their lives. So last week we talked about the concept of what is balance. It's not a straight line. It's something that you go in and out of. So you have to expect the out of balance feelings and notice when you are out of balance. And then once you're out of balance, you do the same things that you did to get in balance to restabilize yourself just to come out of balance again. Because work-life balance, for instance, and that's what we're going to be talking about today, is never one thing. There's going to be high points where you have to be at work, and there's going to be times where you're not at work. So you have to learn how to go in and out of that. And that medium point is the need. The need is life. You need to be part of your family. You need to be in that, or else you will self-implode. You will not do the things that you need to do to make yourself happy as a person. And then you'll start doing things. You'll reach out and you'll start sabotaging the life that you've created because you have either did too much work and then your life started to dwindle away. So when you came back into your life, the life wasn't there. Or you spent too much life work, and then your business or your the thing that makes you money, because you need money, start to fall apart. I see it all the time with my parents, especially my moms that do a lot of work. They love and they want to take care of their kids, but they don't realize the thing that they need to do at the precise moment is to focus on work. But then when work is banging and going good, they set that on autopilot and they do everything with their kids and they turn around and poof, it's all gone because their autopilot wasn't systemized. Then there's different things that you have to go with, work within that. But then that's the learning curve. That's when you're out of balance, and then you're in balance, and then you're out of balance, and you're in balance. You have to learn how to not have it spike up, spike down. It needs to be a nice, settled curve where you're bouncing out. That's where balance comes in, and that's when you're happy. But you need to see what you're doing. You need to see how you're doing it. So let me explain to you how I do mine. Every Sunday, my daughter goes to swimming, and this Sunday I actually got to go to swimming with her, and I went with my son Tyler, and he saw me making out my planner. And he's like, "Dad, what are you doing? Don't you do the same thing every single day?" And I was like, "Kinda, I do, but I need to now learn how to balance and learn how to figure out what's happening and when can I fit in my time with you? When can I fit in my time with I call her mommy, but my time with Michelle? What can I do to have time for myself? I need to be able to work out. I need to be able to sit. I need to be able to chill. I need to fit that in. So I have my work schedule because this is something that needs to happen. And then I fit in everything else I want to fit in with you guys here. And if something doesn't mesh, something doesn't work, I move a part of my work schedule. Now that's a hard one for a lot of people to hear, but it's been working very well where it doesn't have to because I blocked out the appropriate amount of time for certain things. But if something doesn't work out and I'm not getting enough family time, I will move somebody. You know, I will literally say, all right, I got to call this person and see if I can get them this because this happens. You know, I have to go with my family to this. I have to do that because that is me. If you guys know anything about me, I'm a family man. I am a dad first, then a therapist and a concierge practice person next. I'm there for everyone, but if it comes down to my family, they win. Sorry. That's what I want you to really focus on. I want you to focus on what do you do to get yourself in balance. How are you looking at the bigger picture and then putting things in place from there? So that's my question to you. Do you use a planner? Can you plan? Can you actually see the bigger picture? And then how is it working out for you? Because that's the only way that you're going to have a constant state of work-life balance. when you actually see your work and you see your life and you mesh them together. Don't make the mistake of having a planner for work, having a planner for life, because they're one and the same because it's you. Don't make that mistake. Until next week, folks. Later.